Hop out of the boat into you laddies. My name is all that cool stuff. Wait, is that taken? Oh, too bad. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to come up with my own thing. Hi everybody, I'm all that cool stuff. We'll just do the same thing I've been doing for like a year or something. I am playing a game called... What is this game actually called? Oh, it's called Wreaked. It is a game made by the same people that made the other stuff. The other games. Like the other... This is recording, right? Yeah, like the other, like the Hard Time and the one superhero game, and you know, it's M. Dickey. He's the same guy that makes these. Anyways, I'll start playing now. Oh, I'm like 50% fluent in whatever language they speak here, but only 50%. Oh, there's a horse. Hello, horse. Let me ride you. You don't have a saddle, but I will ride you anyway. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go run around. Let me see. I wonder what happens if I go into the water with this horse. Oh. Well, that's pretty neat. Ow! Oh no! I fell in the water. I think I'm drowning. Gotta get up. Oh. Ah. Well, that was a close call right there. I almost drowned. Let me see what to do. What to do? I guess they'll just run around. Yeah, just run around. Let me see. There is a... Ow! The deer just ran into me. Let me see. I have a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond in the sky. Now let me see. Oh, you're trying to throw your scroll at me. Why are you throwing your scroll at me? That's not very nice. Didn't your mother ever teach you not to throw scrolls at people? Oh, whatever. He's not even listening. He's ignoring me. He's a bully. Now I will look around to see if there is any dank memes. Oh, there's some meat here, and apparently there's some ham. Is that? Yeah, I think that's ham. It's all packaged too. That's weird that you'll find some packaged ham on an island like this. Isn't that a bit strange to find packaged ham? There's just blood squirting out of it. I guess I'll take a nap. This is a good nap. I'm having good dreams about diamonds and being abandoned on an island. Because that's what people dream about, you know? Haven't you ever had a dream about diamonds and being abandoned on an island? Well, no, I sure have. Oh, it's second day. I wonder what I'll do with this diamond. It's a big burden to bear. I can't carry the diamond, but I can carry you. Da da da. Oh wait, back that up. My dog is whining in the background. That is getting kind of annoying. I'm gonna build a knife. A knife. And I hope this works. Is this knife getting built yet? Get built, knife. Get built. Yay, I have a knife. Oh my gosh, that deer just attacked that other deer. Now they're fighting. And I will build something with this diamond and this knife. Oh, dang it. Gotta pick that. Ah. There, put them together, and I will get a syringe. I will. Ow. That ain't fun. I don't think a single character has talked to me on this game so far. Oh, yeah, get wrecked, deer. I'm gonna stab you to death with a syringe. It's not every day that you stab a deer to death with a syringe without a hunting tag. Good thing there isn't a game warden here. Ah. Die. 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 My dog whining in the background is actually pretty fitting to this. And I've almost killed the deer. Thank you for... Oh, sorry, horse, you got in the way. Well, I guess I'll just have to kill this horse too. I'm just an animal killing person. Just killing all sorts of animals.